Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and in this video I'm making for you some mustard fried fish with Lefty spices, fish and chicken mix right after this. Alright, first off, let me show you all the ingredients I'm using. Also, a list of the ingredients and the measurements will be down in the description below. So here's Lefty spices fish and chicken mix. I'm also using wild caught pollock for this recipe. Alright, so here I am going down with my mustard. And so I'm just going to coat all the fish with that yellow mustard. And this works better with yellow mustard, not Dijon, not Creole, just straight yellow mustard. And so your fish, it's called mustard fried fish, but it's not gonna taste like mustard. You're not gonna have fish that's gonna taste like a hot dog, so to speak. So yeah, it's trust me, just give this recipe a try and you'll see what I'm talking about. So after I coat the fish with the mustard, now I coat it with Lefty spices, fish and chicken mix. And I'm gonna mix that real good, make sure it gets coated onto the fish and all those cracks and crevices. And while I'm doing this, I have my pan on the stove preheating with the oil in it. Alright, so into a cast iron pan with some hot oil, probably around 350 degrees. Here I am going with the fish. I'm not going to overcrowd the pan. And I'm basically going to fry it till it gets golden brown. Oh, and by the way, Lefty Spices is a spice blend that was created by Lefty's Barbecue Unlimited in Waldorf, Maryland. Alright, so I'll have a little information in my description about that, but it's a great spice mix. I endorse it. I wish I could sell it, but that's not possible at the moment, but it's really good. Alright, so this first batch is ready. Once you see your fish floating, then you know it's ready. If it's golden brown and it's on both sides and it's floating, then your fish is ready. So here I am pulling it out, putting it onto a wire rack so it can so the excess grease can drip off. So here I am going with the second batch of fish. And don't put your fish right in. Wait till your oil gets up to temperature. You know, taking maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. Because once you put the fish in, it brings down the temperature of your oil about 50 degrees. All right, so the second batch is done. Yeah, and other types of fish that you can do this with is, you know, you can do this with porgies, you can do this with cod, whiting, and I chose to use pollock. Oh, right here, I'm going in with I had some soft shell crabs. I cut them in half, and so this is a little bit of a bonus. I'm just frying up some soft shell crabs in Lefty spice mix. All right, so here they are, golden brown. And here I am pulling them out. So that was just a little bonus, some soft shell crab that I fried up. Alright, so that's it for the recipe. As you see, the fish is nice and golden brown. I got the soft shell crab nice and golden brown. So here I am just throwing some fish on my cutting board for the thumbnail. All right. So yeah, so I just want to thank everybody for checking out this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Also check me out on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And, you know, leave a comment about the video, what you thought about it. And also give the recipe a try. Let me know in the comments any other recipes that you want to see me make on this channel. And I'll catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace. What's up with it? Is it good?
It's delicious.
Oh, okay, that's what's up. Got his favorite meal, fish and grits.